Good morning everyone. Welcome back to class. So we are doing air, water and weather. In that chapter, today I will tell you about evaporation and condensation. Last class you have learned about a land bridge. Okay, so let's revise little bit about the land bridge. What is a land bridge? So, at night what happened? Land cooled down faster than water. At night, land cooled down faster than water. The water is still warm. On that time what happened? Waters are still warm. The air above the water is warm and it rises up. Why it rises up? Because it is warm and warm air is lighter. So it rises up. The cool air above the land rush in and take its place. And cool air above the land, it rush and take the place from where hot air rises up. From there, it take the place there. So this is known as a land bridge. Okay, it is clear. So today you will know about evaporation. Evaporation, what is the evaporation? Evaporation is the change of water into water vapor on heating. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the change of water into water vapor when heating. You have seen at home that when you boil the water, where your mother or you boil the water, so what happens that time? Water change water into water vapor. So that water, it comes up, no? Heat. What is that? That is water vapor. This water is changing in water vapor. So this is known as a evaporation. Or if you will keep a water in sun, you will see after some time when you will come, whole day you will keep one glass, little bit it will be decreased. Why? Water has evaporated and it goes up. Due to the heat, water become hot and it evaporates some water and it goes up. Okay. So one activity is also there, that also I will say you. So what is the evaporation? Evaporation, what is that? Is the change of water into water vapor when heating. When we heat it, it changes. Evaporation takes place all the time, but it takes place faster when weather is windy. Evaporation takes place all the time, but it takes place faster when weather is windy. In a hot or the exposed surface is large. When the weather is windy, it is a hot or the exposed surface is large. Okay. So one activity is given in your book. You can see that activity. What is given in that activity? You will take a 2 ball, okay, and you will put a equal amount of water in each ball. What you will do? You will put equal amount of water in each ball and keep one ball in sun. One ball, what you will do? You will keep in the sun, and one ball you will keep inside the room. Inside the room about a 4 hour. Okay, about a 4 hour. One ball you keep inside the room, other ball you keep outside where sun heat is there. What you will observe? You will observe that water evaporate faster from the bowl kept in the sun. The bowl that is kept in the sun, water will evaporate faster. So one more example you can do. You will take a two identical piece of cloth. Yes, two identical piece of cloths and weight them as knees the water. After that, what you will do is spread out the piece of cloth on the cloth line. Outside where you spreading the cloth, you will spread that two cloth. Fold the other piece of cloth in 4 times and you hang. One you open and you spread it, and other one you fold into a 4 piece and you hang that. What you will observe, the cloth that is spread, it is dry faster and the exposed surface is more. Surface is more and it dry faster. Okay, and the two identical piece of wet cloth put on under the fan, same thing you will put under the fan. Okay, one is in the room with the fan switch off and other will be observed that the piece kept under the running fan. So running fan will be drier faster as evaporation is faster when it is windy. So you are knowing that I have told you that evaporation is faster when it is sun is there, windy is there that time. So it is clear to you all that two pieces of cloth you will take, you will put in the sun. So folding one, it will take time to dry. Which one is open, it will dry faster. Again you take two pieces of cloth and you wet that cloth. One you put inside the room and switch off your fan, and other you put in other room and switch on that fan. So you will see that the cloth that is kept where fan is switched on, it will dry faster. So it is clear. So in windy, evaporation is faster, and sun one is also you have seen. So where it is sun, evaporation is faster. So it is clear to you all with the example. Next one is what? Next one is condensation. What is that? Condensation. So what is condensation? Condensation is the change of water vapor to water on cooling. Water vapor change into water when it cool. You have seen when you boil the water, you put one lid upside, okay, you hold it. You will see that water vapor is coming out, and that vapor you take in one lid, you will see that that vapor will what happen? Change into a condensation, change the water vapor to water. That vapor will change into water when it will cool. So that is known as a condensation. So it is clear to you all what you have learned today. Today you have learned about the evaporation and about the condensation. So what is the evaporation? What is evaporation? Evaporation is the change of water into water vapor when we heat it on heating. Evaporation takes place all the time, but it takes place faster when weather is what? Windy, it is hot, or exposed surface is large. Understood? So I have shown you one example. Yes, two bowl you will take, you will put in the sun, one bowl of water and other you will put inside the room. You will see the bowl and you left that bowl for 4 hours. What you will observe, the bowl that is outside kept near the sun, water vapor there, evaporation take faster in that. Other example I have given you that what? You will take two pieces of cloth. What you will do? You will weight that cloth, and after that you put in outside. One you open and you put, one you fold and you put. What you will see? The cloth that is open and we kept for dry, it evaporate faster. It will dry faster. And third example I have given you, again you take two pieces of cloth and you weight that cloth. After that you put one piece of cloth where fan is running there in that room and other where fan is closed. So what you will see, the fan where it is running, the cloth is kept in that room, it will dry faster. Why? I have told you that evaporation take faster where it is windy. Okay, so it is clear with that example. Next you have learned about what? Condensation. So what is condensation? Condensation is the change of water vapor to water on cooling. It is a change of water vapor to water when it's cooled. So example also I have given you. You will take a bowl and you hot that water put. When you will warm that water, what we will see, you will take one lid and you will put upside of that bowl. You will see that evaporation is coming. That evaporation, you take on that lid and after that you keep that lid for some time. When it will cool, what you will see, that it has changed into water when cooling. So it is known as what? Condensation. Okay, so it is clear to you all about evaporation and condensation. Okay, thank you everyone. Today this much. Next class again I will continue with other topic. Okay.